In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a course on Udemy. Let's walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to go and what to click. Before we start, it's important to understand that on Udemy, you usually can't permanently delete a published course in the way you might delete a file on your computer. Instead, what you typically do is unpublish it or make it no longer available to new students. The exact options can depend on your instructor settings and Udemy's current policies, but I'll show you the standard path to remove a course from public view. First, open your web browser and go to the Udemy website. Make sure you're logged in to the instructor account that owns the course you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're in the right one so you don't edit the wrong course by mistake. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page and look for your profile picture or your initials. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that takes you to your instructor dashboard. This is where all of your courses and instructor tools are managed. On the instructor dashboard, you should see a list of your courses. Find the course you want to delete or remove. If you have a lot of courses, you may need to scroll or use the search bar to locate it quickly. When you found it, click on the course to open its course management page. Inside the course management area, look toward the left-hand side for the course settings or course landing page options. Udemy sometimes changes the layout slightly, but there will be a section where you can control the course status. Open that settings area. Here, you're looking for a control that lets you unpublish or deactivate the course. This might be a toggle, a drop-down, or a button labeled something like Unpublish or Make Course Private. Click that option. Udemy will usually show a confirmation message explaining what unpublishing does, such as preventing new enrollments while keeping access for existing students. Read that carefully, then confirm your choice. After you confirm, the course will no longer be publicly available in the marketplace. It may still appear in your instructor dashboard, but it won't be visible to new students. If you ever change your mind, you can usually return to the same settings area and publish it again, as long as Udemy's policies allow it.